Get ready to be amazed by unparalleled industrial might with our top 10 heavy-duty machines. These machines redefine heavy-duty power, transforming industries one cut, one crush at a time. The AMI Kraken Concrete Pulverizer, your swift solution for concrete crushing. This Canadian-made attachment, fitted to a Hitachi crawler excavator, swiftly separates concrete from rebar, making demolition a breeze. Vital for any teardown task, these pulverizers effortlessly crush concrete. With models weighing 2,000 to 6,400 pounds, they suit standard full-size crawler excavators. Crafted for durability, the Kraken boasts wear points made of premium wear and abrasion-resistant steel and functions mechanically, ditching the need for extra hydraulics. Opt for coupler or pin-on use, the Kraken stands poised to conquer new terrain. Its innovative design concentrates crushing force with extended center teeth, followed by secondary jaw teeth that break concrete into manageable fragments. Step into the future of rock removal with the JCB Telehandler paired with the HIMAC rock picker. Say goodbye to rocky landscapes as this dynamic duo takes center stage. Rocks ranging from 4 to 20 inches don't stand a chance. The HIMAC rock picker, armed with a high-torque motor and solid bar construction, delivers unmatched rock-picking prowess. No more time wasted. Its impressive 2.4-ton load capacity expedites the process. Designed with a high-strength rotational reel, this Australian-made attachment handles even the most challenging rock removal tasks. Discover the Liebherr A311 equipped with KEMROC's groundbreaking chain cutter attachment. Revolutionizing excavation, the EK chain cutters redefine precision and efficiency. Engineered for excavators from 2 to 70 tons, they effortlessly slice through stone with strength up to 120 megapascals. Unveil narrow trenches with optimal profiles, starting from a mere 19 inches. By removing material between the cutter drums, these cutters keep trenches as narrow as possible, minimizing costs and maximizing full potential. Witness innovation in action with the Liebherr A900, wheeled railroad excavator featuring the ARC Astra rail cropper. With a colossal 500-ton cutting force at the jaw's core, it's a rail cropping marvel. Safely snip rail lengths with finesse, handling diverse British rail types with ease. Whether upright or on its side, it slashes through prep time, boosting on-site efficiency. The Liebherr A900 and Astra rail cropper redefine rail cutting, setting new benchmarks for power, precision, and productivity. Prepare to be awestruck by the Caterpillar crawler excavator with the AMI heavy-duty rock ripper. Meet your ultimate partner for tackling the toughest bedrock. This single-tooth ripper means business, channeling all its force into one focal point, smashing through unyielding rock with ease. Crafted from unbreakable hard-ox steel, the AMI rock ripper is your go-to tool for conquering diverse rock materials and challenging terrains. It's not just heavy-duty, it's Herculean. Say goodbye to rock-related woes as this dynamic duo redefines excavation and takes on the unrelenting world of bedrock like never before. Introducing the Komatsu PC 360, a commanding 36-ton crawler excavator. Powered by a mighty 257-horsepower diesel engine and armed with KEMROC's DMW cutter wheels, it's an absolute powerhouse. Dual high-torque hydraulic motors guarantee explosive production rates and the utmost cutting force. Even the toughest materials, including rock with a 120 MPa compressive strength and reinforced concrete, is no match. With a range of widths reaching 16 inches and customizable options, concrete cutting prowess gets a whole new definition. Venture into the heart of the Langyokul Glacier, where Manitou telehandlers armed with SIMEX TF100 cutter heads carve the longest pedestrian tunnel. These heads aren't just tools, they're transformational. From trenching to profiling rock, tunneling to demolition, SIMEX TF heads redefine versatility. When traditional excavation falls short and percussion systems fail, they step in with unwavering effectiveness. Quiet yet forceful, they operate seamlessly in sensitive zones like residential areas and near vital infrastructure. Perfect for precision-focused finishing tasks, they guarantee minimal disruption and top-notch aesthetics. The Langyokul Glacier Tunnel is just the tip of the iceberg for these game-changing cutter heads. Get ready to be amazed by the Linkbelt 240 teamed up with the AMI Demolition Grapple. This 32-ton excavator is a game-changer in the world of specialized applications. Whether it's handling scrap, demolishing structures, transferring waste, or prepping sites, it's a true all-star. Imagine a cab that soars to 18 feet with hydraulic finesse, guarding operators at the front lines. Thanks to factory hydraulics and the AMI demolition grapple, it's a demolition dynamo. Concrete trembles as it's turned into powder, buildings surrender before its might, and rebar is meticulously separated from the chaos. Unveil the power of the KEMROC KR 165 rotary drum cutter, a force to be reckoned with when mounted on the Kobelco SK500LC, a 50-ton crawler excavator. Built for robustness, it's a game-changer for confined spaces like tunnels and excels in silent, vibration-free demolition of reinforced concrete structures. Imagine a rotating drum, teeth hungry for action, slicing through rock, concrete, and asphalt with ease. With precision and control, it conquers even the trickiest spots. Say farewell to the noise and dust of blasting, and welcome increased safety and efficiency. Prepare to be amazed as the Komatsu PC 4000 mining shovel joins forces with the Genesis GXT 2555R mobile shear in an awe-inspiring display of power and precision. The Komatsu PC 4000 is a colossus, boasting an 1875 horsepower engine and a staggering 409-ton weight. But now, it is combined with the Genesis GXT mobile shear, meticulously designed for efficient steel processing in scrap and demolition. Clocking in at 56,500 pounds, it's a master of versatility. But how does it work? The excavator shear attachment, a technological marvel, attaches to the excavator and employs two hydraulically operated jaws. These jaws close with precision, creating a cutting force that breezes through materials like steel beams, pipes, and cables. Operated by the excavator's hydraulic system, it's a dance of power and control. From demolishing structures to recycling scrap, this duo spells efficiency. Say goodbye to labor-intensive cutting methods. The excavator shear attachment tackles the most challenging materials with ease. Whether it's cutting through steel or transforming scrap, this combo showcases the future of demolition and scrap processing. Experience the blend of power and finesse, where innovation takes the lead and challenges the status quo. That's it, folks. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep on grinding.